In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall WordPress from Namecheap CPanel step by step, the right way, so you can fully remove the installation, its files, its database, and the database user if you no longer need that site. This is useful if you're cleaning up an old website, starting over with a fresh install, or simply removing a WordPress setup you don't want on your hosting account anymore. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your hosting services and go to Hosting List. This is where all of your hosting plans and connected sites are managed. After that, find a hosting plan where WordPress is installed and click Go to CPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account, where you can manage websites, files, databases, and software installations. Now that you're in CPanel, look for the Softaculous Apps Installer section. Softaculous is the tool Namecheap uses for one-click app installations, including WordPress. Inside Softaculous, click WordPress. Then look for the WordPress Manager icon and click it. This will show you all the WordPress installations currently associated with your hosting account. Once the WordPress Manager loads, find the WordPress installation you want to remove. If you have more than one site or test install, make sure you choose the correct one. This part is important because once you uninstall it, the files and database can be removed permanently. After you locate the correct installation, click the arrow or options button next to it to expand the available actions. Scroll down until you see the uninstall option and click it. At this stage, Softaculous will give you removal options, and you want to carefully check each one before continuing. Select Remove Directory, so the WordPress files are deleted from your hosting space. Then select Remove Database, so the site's database is also deleted. After that, select Remove Database User, so the database user connected to that installation is removed as well. These steps help make sure the uninstall is complete and your account stays clean. Before you finish, take a second to double check that you've selected everything correctly. If you're removing a site you no longer need, deleting the directory, database, and database user is usually the best choice. But if you want to keep any data for backup purposes, make sure you've saved it first, because this process can remove it permanently. When you're ready, scroll down and click Remove Installation. Softaculous will ask for confirmation, so click OK to confirm the uninstall. The tool will then begin removing the WordPress installation from your Namecheap CPanel account. Wait for the process to complete, and once it finishes, the WordPress site will be uninstalled from that hosting environment. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled WordPress from Namecheap CPanel. The site files, database, and database user have been removed, and your hosting account is now cleaned up and ready for whatever you want to do next. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and subscribe for more easy WordPress and hosting walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching.